Here we are, Decatur Carts and More, 721 West Monroe Street. 260-223-8970 is our phone number. What I've got for you today is a 2020, yes, a brand new 2020 EZGO Valor fuel injected EFI. Gorgeous, got the charcoal metallic body on it. We put a street legal kit on it. Doesn't have the windshield mirrored, but that will be included in on it. Turn signals, headlights, tail lights, brake lights. Does have the rear seat. Bam. Now you got 4 seats. Now you have cargo area. Go forward, there's lighted rear license plate bracket. But what I really think is cool about this cart is we put 15-inch wheels on it. Just a good looking wheel, silver and black. Just kind of sets this cart off. We haven't put many 15-inch wheels on many of our carts at all, and I think this makes this cart look really cool. So hey, give me a call, 260-223-8970. Stop in 721 West Monroe Street, Decatur, Indiana. Decatur Carts and More. Jason Hyde, golf cart guy, coming at you with this 2020 charcoal metallic EZGO Valor EFI fuel injected. Thank you. Come see me.